Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm here to share with you the top 5 reasons to visit Dubai in 2020. The Texas brisket sandwich is served on a freshly grilled potato roll, layered with 14-hour smoked brisket, sliced to order, stacked high, and topped with pickles, onions, and signature Whitesmith barbecue sauce. The Southern fried chicken sandwich. Fast food chains can keep the white meat. A true chicken lover knows all the flavors in the dark meat. Get stuffed with a large, crispy, juicy, and generously seasoned boneless chicken leg and thigh, topped with pickles, cilantro lime slaw, and served on a rich grilled potato roll. The smoked veggie stack. Vegetarians have to eat as well, so I crafted a sandwich stacked with 2 giant red bean patties that are stuffed with an assortment of smoked vegetables, topped with lettuce, tomatoes, pickles, onions, and drizzled with honey mustard. The Texas brisket burger. You won't find a burger in a traditional American smokehouse, but leave it to us to be the trendsetters for the next generation of American barbecue. Consider unhinging your jaw for a juicy, cold-smoked, ground brisket grilled patty topped with Texas dry rub 14-hour smoked brisket, pickles, onions, cheddar cheese, smoked turkey bacon, and our homemade Blacksmith barbecue sauce. The magnificently delicious sandwiches that you have just seen were all crafted at the Blacksmith Smokehouse, located in the heart of Dubai Marina. Be sure to visit and check out the entire menu that celebrates nearly a century of American barbecue and all-American Southern cuisine. Visit our website and be sure to follow us on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. You can hit me up anytime on Instagram at Pitmaster_Orelle or on Twitter at Orelle. All right, y'all. Take it easy.